Hello students, very good morning. I am today explaining you class 12th related topics named determinants, chapter 4th it is, of NCERT. How to find determinant, that I will explain you today. How to find determinant, this I am explaining. Here suppose it is question first, this one, of NCERT exercise 4.1. Suppose I am assigning it as A and this one as B. It is 2 by 2 determinant and this one is 3 by 3 determinant. Means 3 rows and 3 columns are there in this determinant, and here 2 rows and 2 columns are there in this determinant A. So I will tell you how to find determinant. Before it, I want to tell you one more important thing, that determinant will be always expressed in between two vertical lines. This is the symbol of determinant. But in case of matrix, you remember this thing, it may be assigned as this, between two small brackets, between two square brackets, between two curly brackets, between two vertical lines either side. These are the symbols of matrices and this is the symbol of determinant. This you have to remember. So here I am explaining you how to find determinant. Now see, this is 2 by 2 determinant. Determinant A value I am determining. Determinant A is equal to 2 into minus 1, means this into this, minus 5 into 4. This is very simple. Means in 2 by 2 matrix we have to multiply this element by this one and then this element by this one, and in between the sign will be minus. जब हम इसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालते हैं तो इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, बीच में माइनस का साइन लगाते हैं, फिर इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं. ये तो 2 by 2 का सिंपल मैट्रिक्स है, सिंपल डिटर्मिनेंट है जो हम इस टाइप से सॉल्व करेंगे. तो ये डिटर्मिनेंट ए की वैल्यू जो है यहां से वो आएगी -2 + 20. दैट इज डिटर्मिनेंट ए इज इक्वल टू 20 - 2 मीन्स 18. ये आंसर हो गया इसका. दिस इज द आंसर. In this way we can find the determinant of any 2 by 2 determinant value. Now it is 3 by 3 determinant. Here suppose I want to find the determinant of B, then in that case I will have to write this 3, then minus 1, and then plus -2. Means what I am doing, this 3 is written first of all, minus sign will be there, then -1 is written, then one blank determinant, then plus -2 will be there, and then again blank determinant. If I am writing this 3 element, means this row and this column will be eliminated. This row and this column will be eliminated, means what we have to write, 0, -1 and -5, 0. 0, -1 and -5, 0 will be written here. 0, -1 and -5, 0. Now if I am writing this element, means this column and this row will be eliminated. So remaining parts are 0, -1 and 3, 0. 0, -1 and 3, 0 we have to write here. In case of -2, this column and this row will be eliminated. 0, 0, 3, -5. 0, 0, 3 and -5 will be written as it is. So now after doing solution for this part, 3 into that I have explained you, 0 into 0 is 0, minus -1 into -5, -1 into -5. Here it is minus into minus plus, means this you remember, here this will be taken as positive, but this will be taken with the negative sign. So this minus and that formula minus, that will become plus 1 into, in bracket, 0 into 0 is 0, minus 3 into minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 2. Now 0 into minus 5, 0, minus 0 into 3, that is also 0. So it will be 3 into 0 minus 5, because this minus into this minus will become plus. ये माइनस और ये माइनस का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस एज इट इज लिख दिया, प्लस 1 0 प्लस 3, 0 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3, माइनस 2 इंटू 0 minus 0. So this will become 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15, plus 1 into 3, 3, minus 0, because 2 into 0 is 0. So an answer will be minus 15 plus 3 means minus 12. This is the value of determinant B, if we assigned it as B. So determinant B value is this. This is the answer for 3 by 3 determinant. So today I have explained you how to find the determinant in case if 3 by 3 determinant and 2 by 2 determinant will be given to you. So thanks for watching my channel. Like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible.